Meet AlgoBuilder, the fastest way to turn your trading strategy into a fully automated bot. No code, no devs, no BS. Just simple selections, powerful testing, and boom, will help you automate your trading. Now, you should know, backtesting is crucial for any trader. If you're not, then what are you doing? AlgoBuilder is going to do all this for you, and we've the most advanced backtesting in the market. Because it matters, okay? Backtesting is your way of proving that the strategy you've made actually works. Built for everyday traders who want automation, not these spreadsheets. You bring the strategy, we'll handle the execution. This is how modern trading is done. Fast, flexible, fully automated. It's time to start building. What are you waiting for? Let's get your first trading bot made.